Time blocking is a powerful way to organize your day and get more done. It means dividing your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or activity. Instead of working without a plan or multitasking, you focus on one thing at a time. This helps reduce distractions and increases your productivity. Here is how to use time blocking step by step. First, start by listing all the tasks you want to complete. Include work tasks, breaks, meals, and personal activities. Next, estimate how much time each task will take. Be realistic and allow some extra time for unexpected delays. Then, create your time blocks. Use a planner, calendar app, or even a simple notebook. Assign each task to a specific time slot in your day. For example, you might block 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. for answering emails, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. for focused project work, and 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. for lunch. Make sure to schedule breaks. Short breaks help refresh your mind and keep you motivated. Also, group similar tasks together when possible. This saves time by keeping your brain focused on one type of work. Be flexible. Sometimes things take longer or emergencies come up. Adjust your time blocks as needed, but try to stick to your plan. At the end of the day, review your time blocks. See what worked well and what needs improvement. This helps you plan better the next day. Using time blocking regularly can reduce stress, improve focus, and help you finish more work in less time. Try time blocking for 1 week and notice how your productivity changes. Plan your day like a pro with time blocking, and take control of your time.